Oh, one stop.
So this is dinner. I'm going to grab a chicken foot and the pig's tail. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. It is your girl Tamika and it is Saturday. It's so nice outside. Right now I'm going to the supermarket. I'm going to get some stuff because I'm gonna make stew peas today. Yeah, so that is the vibe. I'll make some stew peas and I want to straighten up at the house because since we come back from Japan I haven't gotten a chance to do that. It's not like crazy messy, but it needs to get done. So yeah, and I have to do my laundry. But I think I'm gonna need some more. So the boys are doing their laundry right now, but I think I don't have enough. So I'm gonna have to probably go to Costco tomorrow, which I didn't want to do. And I need to go grocery shopping anyway, but I don't think I'm gonna do that tomorrow. Yeah, so that's that for now. Yeah, so I'm gonna head to the supermarket and I see shaking, and I'm gonna see you when I get there. All right, so I'm at the supermarket and yeah, so I'm making food right now.
Let's go. Oh, I have another bag? I don't
Alright. I like getting these, but they don't have any I like getting the parfait bowls, but they don't have any in here in the supermarket. No worries, yeah. Alright, let me just check my list that I have because we're not getting anything extra. So let's see what I'm getting. So I want some tomato, some thyme, pepper, chicken to pigtail, red peas, and coconut. Let's see what we get first. I'm close to the tomatoes right now. See, let's grab those. Oh, this plum.
Based on ownership, you love me despite myself. Sometimes I fight myself. I just can't believe that you would have anything to do with someone so insecure, someone so immature.
Hot pepper. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, not this. I actually want this one. The pepper you're not adding on. This pepper is not hot at all. Good Scotch bonnet. Alright, so I have the tomato, I have the pepper, I have the thyme. Alright, so now I need red peas, chicken foot, pigtail, and coconut milk. Let's go find those.
That's a petroleum. Pigtail. I don't have any chicken foot. I'm glad I have no chicken foot. Like my stew peas with some chicken foot. Wait, they have chicken foot but with gizzard in it. Oh, come on. Oh, they have it right here. Let me get one. 6.9. So now we just need the peas. Now I'm just looking for the peas. I don't do a lot of these stuff because I won't be cooking a lot because the boy them don't really like. They'll eat it, but all the chicken foot, they not eat that at all. Makes worse. He doesn't like it. He love it. Alright, so now I'm looking for the peas. And we're out of here. I swear my weekend be just gone. Oh, I want the coconut milk. Do I get this one? I like to get the liquid one from Costco, but I'm gonna just take this until I go to Costco. Let me just find the red bean right now. Alright. Get our peas. That's it. I'm gonna head out. Another thing. I have to put the cashier. Alright, is that a perfect? Oh no, I'm gonna like that one. Yeah, what is chips and dip now? Running through the list again. I have the tomato, I have the thyme, I have pepper, I have the chicken foot, I have the pigtail, and I have the red peas and the coconut cream. Yeah, so we're good. Alright guys, so the food is secured for today. Alright, so we have the food, so I'm gonna head home and start dinner. I think I want to do my laundry today. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get it done. If the kids use all the soap, then I'm gonna need to go to Costco tomorrow. Because I need to go to Costco anyways. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna head home and I'll see you guys when we're cooking. Let's go.
Who we nicknamed Canadian. That's her.
Alright, so I'm back home, guys. Hey, babe. Hold on, just give me 1 minute. Alright, guys, so I'm back home and we got the goodies for dinner. So I got some thyme, pepper, red peas, the coconut cream, and now we have some chicken foot and the pigtail. Yeah, So guys, you know, I just come back from Japan, so I have to go and do grocery shopping because there's literally nothing in here at this point. Seriously, Nick went to Walmart last week and he had picked up a few local stuff, but just for hold us till we go to the store, and then you guys some tomatoes. And then I feel like we don't have time because like we work Monday to Friday and then Nick work Tuesday to Saturday. So it's like we don't have, there's not a lot of time to do it. Well, I feel like the weekends are just not long enough and the days are just too short. I don't know, let me know if it's me alone feel like this, but yeah. So that's that. I'm going to do that for dinner. Oh, I don't know if I told you guys that Jaden finally got his license. Remember I told you Nick was giving him some driving lesson, and then he did some lessons also on his own with the a driving school. They suck anyway, but yeah. He passed his test finally, so he's now a licensed driver. Yay. Yeah, so he's been driving his dad to the train station and stuff like that. You know, I'm getting him look a feel of the road, them on the highways and stuff like that. And he's doing pretty good. He even drove the Tesla. Yeah. Yeah. So that's my little update. Alright, so we're gonna start the cooking. And yeah. I'll start the cooking. Yeah. Alright, now it's 2:30. I think I'm gonna pressure some of them things here. I'm going to pressure the chicken foot and the pig's tail and the peas. Well, let's pressure everything. Because yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna do that. Yeah, that'll be faster.
See, right? Alright.
Yeah.
It's not gonna upgrade it because I. Wait, even if that happens, Daddy, you get a new phone. Then, Jaden, Daddy gets a new phone, right? And then wouldn't Jaden get Daddy's phone still? So I would still get Jaden's phone.
Jaden, I'm doing something.
Imagine if I was this close. Let's try that.
I have a problem with ants in the summertime. Like recently, like for the last 2 summers, every year there's just these little ants that are like lined off around the kitchen, like right here. You just see them coming out. Like I don't know where these ants are coming from, but they like, yeah. My mom said to get ants powder. I think I might need to do that because I don't know where they're coming from. Yeah, it's crazy. You know, I'm gonna chop up this the chicken foot.
I decided to take the pigtail out and boil those off separately because I don't want the thing to be salty. Yeah, so I was like, you know what, let me not do that. That's not a good idea. So I'm gonna boil it off separately and boil the peas and the chicken foot in here, let them get soft. And then once this is boiled off and not salty, then I'll pressure it on its own. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so I have the pigtail right here now soaking off. Yeah, I think that's the best idea because I don't want the thing to be salty. Yeah, so I'm gonna let these boil, let the peas cook, and then yeah, I'll see you guys. Alright guys, so finally the peas ready, pigtail soft, chicken foot soft. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the stove now and season it up and then put on the rice. Let's do that. I'm going to cut up my pigtail because you can't taste it. And we're going to click on this. Alright, so now we're going to season our pot. Remember coconut cream, scallion and thyme and pepper. Let me wash these off. Alright, so the pot is seasoned and I'm just going to leave it for a little bit, let it do its thing, and I'm going to start doing the rice. right, so we're finished with that now. What you guys been watching? Like, there's so much things out right now that I want to watch on my list. Wednesday for Wonder Ben came out and I haven't even gotten to see the first episode. Fatal Seduction came back. My mom was telling me the one with Kimmy, the stripper one day. What I wanted the name? I don't remember, man. The Tyler Perry movie, Beauty in Black. Beauty in Black is back. I want to watch that for sure. I think it's coming back Thursday. This Thursday, the 11th. Yeah, so I want to watch that. Currently I am watching The Summer I Became Pretty. Love it. You know, yeah, I'm into those kind of foolishness. Forgive me. But I'm watching that. The Summer that's a Prime film. Yeah, so there's so much stuff I want to catch up on with no time. Like every weekend it's just work. Like that day off from work, but you still come home and do work. That kind of vibe. But yeah, I definitely want to get, I don't know, maybe tomorrow we can start watching some stuff of the also Bel Air is back. I think that one is on Hulu. I think it's Hulu. Bel Air. Yeah, that's a good watch. Very good watch. We love that. Yeah, but I'm gonna put on this rice and start with chatting. I'm gonna add a chop to this. This is the Nor chicken bouillon. Yeah, it flavor nice. Just a little bit. I have the boys' dinner ready. This is the final look. Yeah. They're probably not going to eat these stuff, you know. They probably kick out the chicken foot because they don't like it. Yeah, so that's the final look for the dinner. I'm going to go ahead and finish editing. It is now like 6:41. Yeah, I should go and eat actually. I might do that. I don't know, but I'll see, babe. Alright, so I decided to go ahead and eat.
It's so contrary.
So he and I told you he wasn't going to eat the chicken foot, and
to what the situation
you didn't eat much of the pigtail either, so
but I despise being.
So I'm gonna grab on my dinner.
To some people, not even important, whatever I am.
Yeah.
And I wish so much to be a regular
drinking
guy
some water.
Now,
And yeah, so I'm gonna grab on this and I will see you guys in a few. So make sure with them answer. Yeah. And I'll see you guys shortly, alright? Good morning, guys. So it is Sunday and I'm on my way to Costco. We already had breakfast along a lot. I'm going to Costco because I'm going to pick up some soap to do my laundry because I haven't done my laundry. The boys used up all the soap that was there yesterday. So we're going to get that and I'm going to grab some salmon. I'm not doing a grocery shopping. I need to because since I've been back from Japan, I need to go grocery shopping. But I'm just going to grab a few items and then I have to go to the Apple store because my phone fell and broke. Like my phone fell and broke literally 2 days ago. And now the screen is like black, so I had to make an appointment to go to Apple, which I'm gonna do today, 5 o'clock. I may need to repair it, or I might just, I think I'm gonna get a new phone anyway, but I still want to repair it. Yeah, because I need my phone. So that's the plan. Yeah, the other day I came home from work, I'm plugging in my car, and the phone just fell out my bag and broke. And I'm like, seriously. But yeah, so that's the vibe. That's the vibe for today. Costco and then go to Apple and get some food and do some laundry. So weekend was just work. But anyway, we gotta do what we gotta do, right? So let's go. Alright, so I just got back from Costco.
Got exactly what I said I wanted. I'm not going to go shopping until next week. I got some beads for the laundry. Got some oil. Got some foil pan. Got some syrup. This demi wasn't on the plan, but yeah. Got the soap. I got this OxyClean. It says max efficiency. I usually get the Costco big bucket powder detergent, but I didn't see it. I don't know why. They didn't have any. I got cereal, frosted flake. I got some salmon, potato, and sweet potato. Yeah, and I got a gallon of milk and some popcorn. Yeah, so that's what I got from Costco. Go ahead and put these away and start my dinner. Yeah, but 3:30 on the dinner. But why does the sun salmon? Not that long. I'm gonna do some sweet potato, beat those, and do some mashed potato. Yeah. And then my mom doing the chicken. Yeah, do in the oven. Alright, yeah, so we had the salmon and chicken, baked chicken. Because one cut out this what it meat something like for a while. Try to not eat so much red meat. It's more like chicken, shrimp, fish. Yeah. And salmon and that, yeah, but I'll stop eating so much red meat. Yeah, a little bit. Alright, so I'm gonna put these away and I'll see you guys in a bit.
You are the wickedest bad boy. Focus on my body, focus on my body. When they worry, just forget about the chance.
Guys, so I'm at the Queen Center right now, and they just dropped me off, and I'm just gonna go inside, try to find the Apple Store because Nick went to find parking. So that's what I'm feeling.
Just have a seat right here, okay? Someone's gonna get to you.
So I'm at the store right now waiting for someone to attend to me, but nothing like here yet either, so I just have to hopefully it's able for somebody something.
That is? For who? Yeah.
All right. Just a quick wait, and I'm gonna check it every time.
I'll be there. Keep going to Edward. It's back on the just look back and then it comes on when it feels like it. Let me get a wire. Just left out the upper. It is now like 6 o'clock. The lady says it's gonna take like an hour to an hour and a half. So like 7:30, we should come back to check if it's ready. We're just browsing around right now. Yeah, I guess we're not gonna eat dinner till 9 o'clock tonight. But that's okay. Yeah, so yeah, that's what we're doing right now, waiting on the phone. And then I was looking at those iPad. I'm not to get an iPad or a MacBook. I don't know. But we'll see. Thinking about it. Yeah, so that's what we're doing right now. We're waiting. Alright, so we're gonna walk back to Upper right now. We're gonna just check to see if it's ready. It's 7-Eleven. Hopefully it's ready. I'm ready to go home. It's Sunday. I should be home eating my dinner and chilling, watching some TV, right? We say Sunday we should be home and chill and I eat some food and I watch some TV. Yeah, so we're gonna check on that right now. Let's go.
Good too, right?
Yeah, it's good. Go just go back or
You go walk it right Alright. Well, that's how we can break study code every time to camera.
You need to turn that setting on. It says right here, it does have the dot resulters. So if we turn this on, yeah, it's got the
Okay, I just checked the status of your phone. Should be ready 7:45.
7:45? Okay. Alright, thank
save the document.
you.
More time ready.
It's up to iCloud for you.
12 more minutes.
I'm never going to listen. Alright, so it's still not ready. We still have to wait like 30 more minutes. Ready to go home. Sad about outside. Yeah, so that's so perceiving. Alright guys, finally back home. Got the phone fixed.
Brand new again. I feel like a part of me was missing. I can't realize how important it is to your phone is to the door of it. My car, my key for my car is literally on my phone, so I need my phone. Yeah, because we have a car key, a phone key, so it's on your phone. So you don't have your phone, you can't go to your car. I mean, I have a, also comes with this thing here, so I can use this, but then I'd have to keep going into my purse to take it out. So I'm just happy I have my phone back because that was like crazy. But yeah, so that's it. Right now, I'm going to eat some dinner. It's like 9 o'clock at night. My appointment was 5 o'clock. It took like an hour and 45 minutes for the phone to get fixed. So I might eat my dinner. So you guys, we did some salmon, some baked chicken. I have some asparagus, some mashed potato, and sweet potato. So that's going to be the vibe, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab on that because it is late. I can't bother showing that right now. Yeah, and if you guys notice, I've been rocking hot for this entire vlog because my hair needs to get done. So that's why I've been rocking my hats. But anyway, so this is dinner. I'm going to grab on this and call it a night. So you have some barbecue chicken, salmon, mashed potatoes, some asparagus, and some green vegetables, some pop chow broccoli and carrot. And that's it. Yeah. It might look a lot, but it's really not a lot. Yeah, I don't think it's a lot. Yeah. I'm gonna grab on this. Oh, you know what I forgot to mention, guys, that I recently started taking this black seed. It's supposed to be like a tonic or a supplement to kind of help you lose weight or whatever. I don't even know. But anyway, I don't want it. It's too bitter. It is too bitter because it's having aloe vera. So yeah, I'm not telling you right. My mom bought which one you get, mommy? Which one you get? The meringue, we're gonna take the meringue. She said it's not bitter because I'm not have time for this. Me have to take this and still I eat sugar like don't make the thing. I just defeat the whole purpose of me taking it. So this one here, the black seed oil, and it's actually not even for weight loss. It's to lower cholesterol and blood pressure, and I don't need that. We had bought the black seed and the moringa and we had mixed it, but it was still super nasty and busy. But this one having aloe vera, ginger, myrrh, angelica roots, cat's claw extract. Yeah, the aloe vera is something that beat me bad, and I don't have time for it. So I will not be taking any more of this. I'm going to get the meringue and start taking that to assist with weight loss. Yes. So along with me trying to eat proper, we're gonna have this for help with, and then we're gonna still continue doing some workout or just walking. Try to walk. Yeah, sometime. I don't know, get the steps in. But yeah, guys, I just want to come back and tell you that about that because yeah, no, we're not doing that. Too bitter. So anyway, enough for that. I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out right now. I hope you guys enjoyed my little weekend vibes. There was a lot of on the road because the girl is busy this weekend. Busy like busy. It's the first weekend back, so trying to get my life back together. Alright, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, share the video, tell a friend to tell a friend, and if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the family. Alright, until then, one big up on yourself later.